Assalamu alaikum my dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Muhammad Emdadul, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class of class Nursery. Our today's topic is subtraction using pictures. Dear students, I will solve some questions. I have shown the question here at first and here also. Okay, dear students, now see subtraction using pictures. Here first one is done for you. Now see, this is taken from your book Success Maths Avenue. This is taken from your book Maths Avenue, and I will solve two pages. First one is page 71. Page 71. This page I will solve at first, and then I will solve page 72. This page I will solve. Okay, dear students, now see page 71. Here are three balloons. Here are three balloons. 1, 2, 3, and here is one balloon burst. One balloon burst. So if one balloon burst, two remaining balloons here. For this, two balloons are left. Here is written 2. So from 3, if one burst, 2 left. It means that this we can write there are two balloons left. We can also say 3 minus 1 is 2. It means that if we subtract 1 from 3, we will get 2. Here is written, write this as, we can write this as 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, dear students, now go to the next question. Here the next question is 7 butterflies here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many butterflies? Total 7 butterflies here. Okay, 3 fly away. It means 3 butterflies left flies. 1, 2, 3. 3 butterflies fly away. So if 3 fly away, now how many remains? 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 left. So we can say if we subtract 3 from 7, it means 7 minus 3. Here is 4 left, so we can write here 4. So 4 left. Okay, dear students, now see the next one. How many boats here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 boats here. 2 sail away. 2 boats sail away. 1, 2. These 2 sail away. If these 2 sail away, then how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can say 6 left. It means that if we subtract 2 from 8, we will get 6, as 6 boats left. Okay, dear students, now go to the next question. What is the next question? 6 aeroplanes here. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 aeroplanes here, and 2 aeroplanes fly away. 1, 2. 2 aeroplanes fly away. And how many left now? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 left. So we can say subtract 2 as 2 flies away, and subtract 2 from 6, you will get the remaining aeroplanes. How many aeroplanes here? 4 left. So we can say 6 minus 2 is 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. Now go to the next page. Next page is page 72. Page 72. The students, here are, read this line, take away the things crossed out, then count and write how many left. Okay, dear students, now see how many total apples here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 apples here. So here is 4. If we cross out 3, 1, 2, 3, here is 3. It means that if we subtract 3 from 4, 1 we will get. 1 is here left, remaining 1 without cross. Okay, now see next one. 6 minus 3. It means that here 6 flowers given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 flowers given here, and 3 we have to subtract. It means that we have to cross out 3. 1, 2, 3. Now how many left? 1, 2, 3 left. So we can write here 3. So 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Now next one. These are eggs. How many eggs here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many eggs here? 5 eggs. We have to subtract 3 eggs. It means that we can cross out 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. These 3, if we cross out, how many left here? 1, 2. So if we subtract 3 from 5, we will get 2. Okay, dear students. Now see the next one. How many tomatoes here? These are tomatoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here are 6 tomatoes. We have to subtract 1 from 6. It means that cross out 1 tomato. If you cross out 1 tomato, how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tomatoes left. So we can write here 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Now see the next question here. These are grapes. These are grapes. How many grapes here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 grapes here. So we have to subtract. Now subtract 2 from 5. It means that cross out 2 grapes. 1, 2. If I cross out 1, 2, 3 left. This 3 left. It means that if we subtract 2 from 5, this will be 3. Now the next question. 4 minus 2. Here 4 means total 4 cone ice cream here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cone ice cream here. We have to subtract 2. It means we can cross out 2. 1, 2. If we cross out 2, 2 left. 1, 2. This 2 left. So we can say if we subtract 2 from 4, the answer will be 2. The students, now the next question. What are you looking here? These are keys. These are keys. How many keys here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 keys here. Total 8 key. We have to subtract 6. It means that cross out 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we cross out 6, only 2 keys left. Only 2 key left. So we can say 8 minus 6 is 2. Now the next one. This is our last question today. Okay, dear students. Now see how many pencils here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 pencils here. We have to subtract 3 from 8. As we have to subtract 3, we can cross out 3 pencils. 1, 2, 3. If we cross out 3, now remaining pencils are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many left here? 5 pencils left. So we can say our required answer for this question is 5. It means that 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Dear students, these 2 pages I have taken from your book. I have solved the questions. These are subtraction using pictures. Dear students, do these as your homework and submit your homework on next Sunday. Dear students, homework is very important for your annual examination, as your CT marks, diary marks and CT marks and SBA marks, not diary marks for you, will be given based on the performance of your homework. So keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay home, stay safe. See you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.